Join us today as we uncover the strategies for effortlessly earning money using the latest apps. Imagine transforming your phone into a lucrative source of income and exploring the realm of passive earnings. Discover how you can pocket a substantial $100 or more through various apps, whether you're looking for additional cash, pursuing a part-time opportunity, or simply aiming to have your free time work for you. Stay with us until the end as we reveal the detailed process and introduce you to revolutionary apps that might be the key to achieving financial freedom. To begin, take the first steps by navigating to either the Google Play Store or, if you're using an iPhone, visit the Apple App Store. Both platforms offer the same apps, but for illustration purposes, I will demonstrate using the Google Play Store. I'll walk you through the steps of locating apps that enable you to effortlessly earn money on your phone. Let's kick things off with our first featured app, Uprock AI. Recently launched, this app has garnered an impressive 5-star rating and has been downloaded over 50,000 times, a remarkable start. I foresee this app hitting the 1 million download mark in the near future. To begin, just install the app, and I'll guide you through its features. According to their website, Uprock AI encourages you to leverage AI to your advantage by sharing your internet and earning passive income. Positioned as the first people AI-powered data network, it offers real-time, unbiased insights for creators, brands, and businesses. Be assured that this app is secure to use. It introduces an innovative concept where you can start earning with minimal effort. The process is straightforward, and the website provides a user-friendly, step-by-step guide for installation. After installation, you start earning whenever the app is open on your phone. While it may not be the highest-paying app, it is undeniably a profitable choice to initiate your journey toward earning. Let's explore the captivating realm of an innovative application called GoodDollar, aptly named for its mission to distribute universal basic income, UBI, in the form of cryptocurrencies. This revolutionary app is crafted not just for those encountering financial challenges, but also for individuals looking to supplement their income. What sets GoodDollar apart is its capacity to unite the cryptocurrency community while providing a helping hand through free earnings. When you visit their website, you'll encounter a compelling message emphasizing the idea that free money is a public good, unlocking human potential through digital universal basic income. The platform showcases an impressive track record, with 640,000 individuals on board, facilitating $6 million in transactions and boasting a remarkable money multiplier of 13 times. Isn't that enticing? Discover the potential advantages of the digital universal basic income by simply signing up and joining this transformative initiative. Despite having reached 100,000 downloads, GoodDollar has already earned a user-friendly and positive reputation with a 4.3-star rating out of 5. The outlook for extensive adoption appears optimistic, given its distinctive strategy for fostering financial inclusivity. As more individuals recognize the benefits of GoodDollar, its existing user base is poised to skyrocket into the millions. Don't overlook the opportunity to delve into the realm of GoodDollar, where universal basic income converges with the digital age. This represents our second application on this thrilling journey toward earning effortlessly and ethically. Stay tuned, as I'll disclose the highest-paying app towards the conclusion of this video. Pause for a moment. If you've been enjoying this video, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications for our future uploads. Now, let's return to the video. Let's delve into the fascinating world of our third featured app, Traf Monetizer. This application introduces a distinctive dimension to the idea of earning money online by leveraging your internet connection. As we explore their website, we come across a compelling slogan: share your internet connection and earn money online. The concept bears resemblance to our initial app, but with the commitment of more substantial payouts. The fundamental principle driving Traf Monetizer revolves around addressing the question, why would we compensate for your traffic? The answer becomes apparent in the extensive demand from various marketing and advertising agencies actively seeking customer visits, website traffic, and additional internet engagement. This innovative strategy harnesses the untapped potential within the extensive 92% of unused bandwidth that is typically available to most individuals. Users have the potential to earn an average of $29 for each connected device, presenting an alluring opportunity. With a user base comprising 350,000 individuals and an impressive 4.1-star rating, Traf Monetizer has garnered noteworthy popularity. With an impressive 1 million downloads, the notable increase in downloads emphasizes its effectiveness and user appeal, solidifying its position as a valuable inclusion in your array of internet sharing applications. In the continually evolving realm of passive income opportunities, diversity is crucial. Therefore, incorporating multiple internet sharing apps on your phone, including Traf Monetizer, enables you to tap into the accumulated potential and optimize your earnings simultaneously. As we move on to our fourth suggestion, Cash Raven, we embark on yet another journey into the realm of generating passive income through sharing your internet connection. The reasoning behind acquiring a diverse range of these apps becomes apparent. Every app may provide unique advantages, and the inclusion of a diverse array enhances your potential earnings. Cash Raven, similar to its counterparts, underscores the significance of safety controls during installation, prioritizing a secure and reliable user experience. Upon closer examination of their earning structure, it becomes evident that the greater the number of devices in operation, the higher the income you can generate. With a user-friendly interface, this app allows you to easily monitor and control the shared data, creating a secure and efficient earning environment. According to their statistics, sharing 33 gigabytes per day has the potential to generate approximately $100 per device. The flexibility of this model enables you to invite not only friends but also family members, including parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles. This creates a network of interconnected devices that collectively contribute to your overall earnings. Essentially, this brief yet thorough video serves as a time-saving guide, providing a carefully selected set of apps that can turn your free time into a profitable venture. The strategic integration of these apps for internet sharing not only maximizes your earnings but also streamlines the entire process. By sparing you the tedious task of searching for opportunities independently, let's now delve into the last app in our lineup, the one I've eagerly anticipated introducing. Allow me to present Make Money Play and Earn Cash, operating under the name Mode Mobile, with the motto of turning your smartphone into an earn phone. This application showcases an impressive track record, disbursing over $150 million to users and amassing over 2 million 5-star reviews on the Google Play Store. Notably, it has successfully secured $40 million in investments from across the globe. What distinguishes this app is its versatility in providing earning opportunities. Users can accumulate up to $1,200 annually by engaging in activities such as listening to music, playing games, and more. The cash-out options are flexible, including bank transfers, PayPal, cryptocurrency, and a variety of popular gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. To initiate your journey, simply download the app and become a member of the platform, an uncomplicated process. With its legitimate and user-friendly approach, Play and Earn Cash emerges as a preferred choice among the showcased applications. It stands out as a premier choice for individuals in search of a trouble-free and dependable method to effortlessly augment their income. In simple terms, this app makes the process of transforming your smartphone into a lucrative source of earnings both seamless and rewarding. That concludes today's presentation. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a big thumbs up. Additionally, remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.